They have succeeded to create enemy between us and our brothers, calling themselves South, Niger Delta. They're calling us Southeast. They never want peace to be in Southeast. You see, Otti, LS Otti, what he said is the truth. What they said is the truth. And no government in Nigeria that they enter will not like to destabilize the Southeast. That's why they carve us out by the one, and call out East Central State. They come out, I think, Shagari era, and carve us out again, call us a Southeast, to make sure this circle of round, this a piece of land, they have succeeded to create enemy between us and our brothers, calling themselves South, Niger Delta. They're calling us Southeast. They never want peace to be in Southeast. Obasanjo enter, take Otti, do experiments of marching order. People have gone. Buhari came in, Operation Python Dance, Operation Crocodile Smile, Operation Speak the language they will understand. Tinubu have come, doing his own. What LS Otti said is right. Can you see it? Unknown government, I've been saying it. Unknown government may even not to be the people that are indigenous of Southeast. Let me put it where they will understand it. Indigenous of Southeast may not be the unknown government. Unknown government may be government sponsored. Look at Ifan Yuba. This late Ifan Yuba. You know when there was a when they want to kill him in Anambra, he escaped. He later came back and said that his attempt of assassin is not unknown government. It was his fellow politicians who know that he's eyeing to be governor of Anambra State, and they are against it. They're the one that want to kill him. He said so. You understand? The insurgency or insecurity in Southeast are caused by APC. Look at Uzodinma, Ihedioha, and Imo State now. Ebubagu, who form it? Ebubagi Nenugu, who form it? Immediately Umai, Davis Umai became for PDP and joined APC. There was peace did not reign in Debunking again. But when he was in PDP, there was peace in Debunking. Immediately he left PDP, joined APC. No more peace in Debunking until the handover. And this was the handover now. It's not APC, man. They see there's peace in Debunking now. When Ekpa was there, PDP, do you see any development? Is it not Fulani in Lokmanta killing people? And Ekpa was there. When LSOT took place, do you see Fulani again in Lokmanta? Do you see kidnapping and killing in Abia State again? And not only PDP, APC causing mayhem, the remaining Southeast governors, Enugu, Anambra, Imo, may not like LSOT, because LSOT is proving both the past and current governors, Nigerian governors in this area, that even if at all federal government did not bring federal presence in your state, the allocation given to you is enough to put something tangible to the people you are governing. This is what they are against him, causing mayhem, trying to tag very soon now. Let me tell you, if care is not taken, watch it. If care is not taken, very soon they will tag LSOT, that is one sponsoring unknown government and agitators. If care is not taken now, they may, government of Nigeria, PDP, APC may tag him that is the one sponsoring unknown government and the agitators to destabilize Nigeria. They will say this because what LSOT is performing now is marvelous. Nobody believe it in this recent time that there's a person like Otti who can emerge as a governor in the so-called the Southeast. See what is performing. So they are not good, they are not happy. And the government of Nigeria, every time like to impose anybody will be causing mayhem to the people, and the people will be revolting against the person, and they will say there's no peace. Because impose people who they don't want. Look at Petamba. Was Petamba the one who won Enugu State? It was. I heard that it was a Labour candidate won it. Have you seen it? Then why should the man not to cry out? What the man cry out is reality. They would like to bring people who will pose IDP camp on the indigenous people of the state without their consent. This is what Nigeria we are in. I don't know why Igbo leaders have become tools of destruction against their people in the hand of the government of Nigeria. Anyone who will do good thing, they throw that one away. Do you know how Otti battle before he was able to stand? If you stop the people, all the whole state revolt, and by the grace of God, God will use the returning officer, I like returning officer, to say that this man won the election, that he cannot go against the will of people, that will destroy her generation, that she will not do that. That is why Otti was able to do that. And they will make sure every time they frustrate Otti government, so that if biafra still remain, or something like that, in 2027 they will count some errors to rig election against him. Not that somebody will win him, to rig the election against him. Because now they have looked into it. They cannot use Abia State House of Assembly to impeach him or to scatter him as they want to scatter River State. As they want to scatter River State. Therefore, they will do anything, use unknown government, use agitators, use one thing or the other to tag Otti government of Abia State as bad government. But I'm sure by God they will never succeed. God is with Otti. God is with him. And I pray that he should not shift his stand. He should not shift his stand where he stands. No power can take him away. Because no weapon fashioned against him shall prosper.
But he's doing the right thing.
He's doing the right thing.
And they want to be there are forces against.
Do you know one thing? Sometimes the way people used to kind of carry some news, fake news about Simon Ekpa always baffle me. And I know that people are catching fun with it. That is to them. But unto me, I am here to speak nothing but the truth. Because I'm a man of the truth that stand to speak on the truth, ready to end by it. Nobody, not even the Indian president is worthy to arrest Simon Ekpa. Let the Mr. President Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, whatsoever he may call himself, go and hold another G20 meeting in case of because of Simon Ekpa. He cannot arrest Simon Ekpa because people are throwing it that Simon Ekpa has been arrested, and that you look at it now, Simon Ekpa has not been arrested, and he can never be arrested because coming December 2nd is the main day. You did not see somebody on social media for a while on his S handle or Twitter or whatsoever, doesn't mean that the person has been arrested. Listen and listen good. This is a game of wisdom, a game of knowledge, and a game of understanding by the divine direction of God that is following Simon Ekpa. Listen to me. What Simon Ekpa is doing is not carnal. It's running a spiritual things. And let me tell you this. Hear me and hear me clearly. When Simon Ekpa decided to lie low now is this. Because we are now at the injury time. He has to lie low for some certain things, especially in social media, in order for him to come out in another angle, in another dimension. That was why he shut off from his S and anything has to do with social media. He is on the verge of the final touches. final movement, final way on how to come back and shock Nigeria and shut Nigeria. Shocking Nigeria and shutting Nigeria. That is the last move. And that is the mood that he is now. Nobody, I repeat, nobody have what it takes to arrest Simon Ekpa.
But are you saying this because of is a friend or a close friend with the Finland president? That's why you feel like cannot be arrested in Finland?
Listen and listen good. He's a good friend, and Finland Prime Minister knows what it is to fight for freedom. And at the same time, I am not telling you only this. I am telling you based on the spiritual angle. Are you getting it? Because Nigeria never sees Simon Ekpa coming out now. What they knew before was nnamdikanu in detention now. And now somebody have risen up to call Simon Ekpa. And now a date has been fixed. The date which has been fixed remains few days now. Are you getting it? So, and that was why he shut every social media handles of his so that he can react spiritually with the God Almighty that are being on their side. They are still kept nnamdikanu in the Nigerian DSS custody. Despite all the maltreatment, yet he's still alive because the legends live on. So Simon Ekpa can never be caught by anybody. I repeat, by anybody. Nigeria no reach. And that is why Simon Ekpa is using this opportunity because of this rumor of him being arrested. He now used the opportunity to invite the House of Rep. And he even promised to pay their fee, their fare. And he promised as well to the third man of the country to come and from the House of Senate, Ekpa himself, to be a living witness of Finland declaration of Biafra.
But do you think Ekpa will go to such a gathering or the House of Reps? Do you think that they want to come or gather or go to that the Biafran convention there in Finland? Do you think that even though Ekpa is even offering even to even pay their flight fee, the hotel accommodation and lot more, do you think that they will want to do such a thing?
Listen and listen good. They may not want. They may not want because being serving under the Republic of Federal or the Republic of Nigeria, on this they may not want to go in the name of Nigeria. But I bet you one or two persons is going to be there. But they will not be there in the name of Nigeria. They may be there on individual basis. And that is to tell you the kind of heart that Biafrans have. We are the people that accommodate. We know how to accommodate people. And that is the hand that Simon Ekpa is extending to every government authorities in Nigeria who cares to come and join the Biafrans and celebrate their declaration in Finland come December 2nd. So if they said there is the fair is more, Simon Ekpa is extending hand of help, love, because Biafra is all about love. And Biafra, another name for Biafra means Onyaga na nwanne ya. Are you hearing me? Onyaga na nwanne ya. Wherever you are, as a Biafran, as an Igbo man, as a Biafran man, he said, do not abandon your neighbor, your brother. Don't forsake your brother. Embrace your brother. And that is what Simon Ekpa is trying to do. Our brothers, though you are eating from the post of Nigeria, that doesn't stop you from not coming to join and celebrate. I know it will be difficult to come there and represent Nigeria. Even if you cannot come there as a representative of Nigeria, you can as well come. The invitation is thrown open. Come, let us celebrate and rejoice together, because I know that when we finally, by the grace of God and the life of Simon Ekpa, achieve this dream, one or two persons of you that is in the rep or senate will want some slots, a kind of position in Biafra land, in Biafran government. I know that, and you know, even if you did not come out of shape, your children will wake up one day and come for it. and it will be given to them. Nobody will deny them because we are lovely people. We welcome people, and we know how to let go. And by doing this, our brother that have been in the custody of DSS and Nigerian government, federal government are not doing anything to release this man. I could remember what Okorota said a few days ago. He said they should free that man. And moreover, look at the burial of Ifan that they said they will not bury. They were like, Okorota was like advising that they should use this to free nnamdikanu. Are you getting it? So all these things are to tell you that Biafra, Simon Ekpa, is a man of love, of integrity, or a man of dignity, a man that knows how to gather his people together and allow them and lead them to the way that they're supposed to go and enjoy their home and enjoy the provisions naturally that God has blessed them with. Are you hearing me? So by doing this, this indicates to you and I that all the rumors of him being arrested, everything is rumor, it is not true.
It's not true.
It's not true.
But for Simon Ekpa, do you not think that him not saying anything for the past 3 days, do you not think is putting the minds of the Biafrans putting them in panic mode?
It is spiritual.
Him not talking spiritual.
Excuse me.
It's not spiritual.
It is spiritual. You will not understand.
It's common sense for him to come out and at least
excuse me.
Give these people update as regards.
Excuse me. He has updated us. He has updated us. We understand the game. We understand the thing. There was a time, even before nnamdikanu was arrested, there was a time nnamdikanu stopped some kind of speeches and addresses. Are you getting it? For some time before he continued, before he was arrested. If you don't know, I want you to know this. This is spiritual. That period was the period he went on his final discussion with his maker. You know, God will send nnamdikanu. And that is why nothing happened to and nothing will happen to him, even in DSS. He will be alive to lift that flag. To hold it like this, the whole world will see him and witness it. And all of us will rejoice with him. It is not an easy thing. Whosoever that say it is easy, let the person try it. It takes one who love. It takes one who knows what love is all about to give his life for his people. So what Simon Ekpa did, or what is going on now, is the normal thing. People must not continue. No, the time, like I said before, we are in the injury time. So a lot of steps need to be taken so that you will be well equipped, both spiritually, mentally, physically, and otherwise. And that is the system, and that is the game, and that is what Simon Ekpa has embarked on. So I'm using this opportunity to encourage others who do not understand this, to educate those who do not know this, for them to know it. Let them not be in panic. You people should not panic. Relax. Nothing there.
But do you think that when the declaration is made December 2 and nnamdikanu there is in the DSS custody, do you think that a lot of the Igbos will be happy as regards this?
As I'm talking to you, didn't you see that in Imo State, in Enugu, there is a serious protest? Didn't you hear that? There is a serious protest about Mbaka missing. The youth now are sending serious message that they give federal government 48 hours. If they did not produce Reverend Mbaka, that the youth are going to involve more on what is there already happening in the East. Are you not hearing that? Definitely, they will come out in a mass protest to stop many things that is happening in the Southeast. Because youths are angry. You know, he dances with the Nigerian government before. I mean, Reverend Mbaka. Now he has come out to start speaking the truth and he disappear. Listen and listen good. When he finished the declaration, remember the condition that he gave to Nigerian government. He said, you are asking for dialogue. He gave them number one step. He said the first step is to release nnamdikanu. True of us, my coordinator. True of us. He said he should release all the detainees that is in their custody. I mean, not be so. So definitely after the declaration, the next step is on how to free our brothers. Because they are being detained illegally. Ndume said it, that the best way and the better way for this country is for everybody to go their own way, to part different ways. Are you getting it? So listen and listen go. After the declaration, the next step, you'll begin to see the next step. That time, everybody will know that CNN might have announced it, BBC, other radio stations, probably in Nigeria. Or Nigeria may decide not to. But the world international have we already take the note. Then we'll come back and stand as a nation of our own. Then we begin to demand for the release of our people.